Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your very fast and grow a garden new very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to upgrade your very, you need to earn very coins. You can earn the very coins from making a wish on this fountain power. Okay, and then you will monitor your coins here, and this is my current coins, and then we can use the coins to upgrade our very. You can talk to the very godmother, and then you're going to click on show me the upgrades. Okay, and this is like the price list to upgrade your very. And to upgrade it fast, you need to plant as much as you can guys on your garden. I recommend you to plant every seed from the seed shop, and then you can also use the glimmering mutation spray. You can go to the crafting table here, and then you can craft the glimmering mutation spray, and it will help you to get the glimmering mutation fast. And then you can also use the very targeter. I'm going to show you the very targeter. Okay, you can place this very targeter on your garden to get the glimmering mutation quickly. And then you can also use the pet shard. Okay, you can apply the pet shard, the glimmering pet shard to one of your pets in your garden, and it will help you to get the glimmering mutation fast. Okay, the faster you get the glimmering fruits, the faster you will earn the very coins, and you can use the very coins to upgrade your very. Okay, and this is my level in the grow a garden. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.